In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the lot size on TradingView using the built-in position size calculator. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to accurately determine your lot size is essential for effective risk management. Let's walk through these steps together, ensuring you have a clear grasp of each part of the process. First, you need to start by opening a chart on TradingView for the trading pair you wish to trade. Once you have your desired chart open, this becomes your workspace where you can visualize the market movements and make informed trading choices. Next, you'll want to access the position size calculator. This handy tool is built into TradingView and is designed to make managing your trades more straightforward. To access it, simply right-click anywhere on your chart. A menu will pop up, and from there, you'll select Trade. Under this submenu, click on Create New Order. As soon as you do this, the position size calculator dialog box will appear. Now it's time to enter the critical trade details. First, input the entry price. This is the price at which you plan to enter your trade, and it's a crucial factor in determining your position size. Following this, the next vital piece of information is the stop loss price. This is the level at which you'll exit the trade if it moves against you, thereby limiting potential losses. Setting a well-thought-out stop loss point is key to effective trading. Following the stop loss, you'll need to decide on the percentage of your account balance you're willing to risk on this trade. This is your percent risk. It's a measure of how much of your total account you're comfortable putting on the line for this particular trade, and it should align with your overall risk management strategy. Once you have all this information entered into the calculator, it will automatically calculate and provide you with the number of units you need for the trade. This is a crucial step as it translates your risk preferences into actionable numbers. Now, for forex traders specifically, there's one additional step to get your lot size. It's essential to remember that for forex, a standard lot equals 100,000 units. Therefore, to determine your specific lot size, you need to divide the number of units that the calculator shows you by 100,000. This simple division will give you your exact lot size for the trade. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to use TradingView's position size calculator to determine the correct lot size for your forex trades. Remember, precision in setting your lot size can make a significant difference in managing your trading risk effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to practice these steps to enhance your trading capabilities.